Okay, well, I'm bored, so I feel like doing this some more. Alright, I'm going to fill it up, as you can see. Filled up my little compressor over there. If you can see, yeah, you should be able to see. Freaking air guard comes out. That's all it takes. And then you can just shoot the bitch. Ah. As you can see, it came back out and hit me. Ugh. There we go. There's my dog again. And one more time, because it's just that good. I might shoot myself with this someday, but no, alright, no. Now it's like a rifle-mounted grenade launcher. That cool. Oh man, loogie. Ugh, that's stuck in there somehow. Yeah, Bug at AAA sells these for $75. I believe there's only one left. And I'm gonna shoot one more time just to show you people. All of a sudden the compressor stopped working too. Oh, piss. Okay. Let's try shooting it at something now. I want the... Make sure it's full of gas. I'm gonna shoot it at that thingy over there. Ready for this? Crazy. But yeah, like I said, now it's really low PSI, so it's not really that powerful. When our compressor is at about 90 PSI, this thing is ridiculous. So yeah, this is my second video. Yeah, once again, it shoots a Nerf ball at very high velocity. Modified to take compressed air and gas, using just like a standard bicycle tire pump or a compressor with an attachment on it, as you can see. And I shot at this. If I put it on 90 PSI, it would probably blow this thing away. Like, not like blow it up, but it would hit it pretty hard. So yeah, that's my video of me shooting stuff with foam balls. Squash.